Why is this taking me so much time, man? This is crazy. Okay. Hey Tushar Gaurav. Good morning, bro. How you doing? Hey Algorithm Soft. Let me just take this to hidden tray and let me ping on Discord once that we are live. Algo Soft भाई कैसे हो? So we have some agenda today. I want to talk about Neovim, how my learning experience has been, and 8 March से 12 board. Damn, Algorithm Soft, it's like next week. Best of luck, bro. Yeah. Scroll back to content. Yeah, so this is the first thing that I want to talk about, my experience with Neovim. Yeah. Here we go. So we will wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Let everybody else join in. And then, yeah, Neovim for life, brother. Yes. So today I want to discuss a little bit Neovim. I just want to post an update video on this, how my Neovim experience has been. Tushar, could you tell me how do I get the, what is it, the Neovim homepage? So nvim, is it minus space I? No. Like, you know, that homepage of Neovim where it shows some starter, how to start Neovim homepage. Just nvim, but nvim doesn't do that. See, I'm an empty file and this is like normal mode. Bam, on time. Yeah. Hey Topic, good morning, bro. So today we have some agenda, and this is my agenda for today. Woo! Let's see if would it let me copy the Neovim logo on Excalibur? No. Oh, here it is. Nice. Unfortunately, that's not, yeah, maybe. Yeah, this is the best one. Let me copy this. Yep. There we go. Copy the SPG Neovim dot. So if I do Neovim dot, nope, that's not it. It just opens up an empty, yeah, whatever this is, empty buffer. Yeah, so let's wait for 1 more minute for everybody else to join in, whoever wants to join. Hello Sarji, I am your hater, subscribe. Good, good bro. Yeah, opens on current directory, I guess. Yes, yes, it does. I'm just finding that command to view the home thing, like Neovim that has to offer, like something like this right here. Maybe something like this. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, Neovim loaded 2 out of 28 plugins in. Yeah, this one. How to see Neovim startup page. Yeah, here you go. So some plugin is removing the startup screen. At least I have got the same problem like you, but I'm getting my startup screen back if I open Neovim with Neovim, no plugin. Yeah, let's try this. Oh, here it is. This is what this is. Okay, I see. Are you from West Bengal? Yes. Yeah, I think that it is a plugin. Yep. So here we have the Neovim startup screen. All right. So I did not break my Neovim, did I? Okay, this is fine. Okay. So it's the no plugin flag that I have to send in order to get that screen, which is all right. I don't want to do it. Okay, so let's get into this. So pretty much 6 months ago, I made a video about trying Neovim, and it was titled, I tried Neovim, here's how it went. And since then, I never posted an update video, so you guys could get to know how my learning experience has been. So this is a scenario where I just want to discuss my experience with Neovim a little bit. Now, first thing is the muscle memory that I want to discuss. And the HJKL thing is something that I'm still building up my muscle memory for. So if I just go to my simple GST app that I have been building on live streams. So if I just do neovim.env, let's say, then quickly I do this HJKL thing just to refresh my muscle memory. Because sometimes it happens that I want the cursor to go left, but accidentally hit the wrong key and it goes up and things like that, which is something that I'm still working on, HJKL thing. So yeah, this is one part of the thing that I am working with. So I'm not in a rush, I'm not in a hurry. I'll just keep working on this on the weekends and let my muscle memory build itself up. Now, next thing is the editing experience. And I would say that the editing experience is really amazing. So if I just start with Neovim and just open up the file tree opens up when I want it and it goes away when I want it. Now I know the argument in VS Code that you can make that, oh, VS Code also has this, but look at the difference here. It really does disappear entirely from my eyes. In VS Code, you can still see it on the left bar a little bit, given that it's an IDE, so it's purposeful. But Neovim offers minimalism, which is something that I do like. So if I just do this and just go to controllers, auth, and just open up register controller. Then here I have my file, press Control N, and it is like there was no file tree ever to begin with. And now I'm ready to start editing. Now this minimalism is something that I do enjoy a little bit. Third thing is the normal mode, visual mode, and the editing mode. Now this is something I'm still building up my muscle memory for, given that I work on Neovim only 2 days a week. And cutting and copying is something that is still taking some time to build up my muscle memory for, because instantaneously my hands go to my mouse, which I know it's a cardinal sin for Neovim users, and it shouldn't be like this, and it won't be like this at some point. So going into visual mode, I still have to work around with HJKL keys to properly select the code that I'm trying to select, then double D to cut it, or Control Shift C to copy it. Now, this is something that is still a little bit hindering up my speed, because when I'm editing, I take a look at this, let's say this if statement, right? Yeah. From here to here, if I want to copy it, if it was VS Code, I could just take my mouse, drag it, and just copy it. Control X, done. But I have to remind myself that this is Neovim, so first go into visual mode, and then press maybe, okay, K. So here it is. So now it is done. Now press double D to cut it, and then go to other file to paste it. So this is something that I'm still working on, and I'll get there hopefully one day. All right. So what is the next thing that I want to discuss? Yeah, my hands never leave the keyboard. This is something that I didn't think would give me a hit of dopamine. Like initially when you start to learn programming, and when it starts to fall into place and you truly start to understand what you're really trying to do, I didn't realize I could still get the hit 8 years into the IT sector. And that is something that Neovim has given me. The fact that my hands can stay on the keyboard for the entire process of writing code and never go even once like, it never has to be like this. This is something that I truly enjoy, and this is where I also want to say that I do think efficiency matters when you use Neovim. I do believe in it, because the seconds that you are dragging with your mouse, this hand travel that you have, also in laptop there is a trackpad right here. So it does factor in a little bit when you think about the long run in terms of years, the time that you wasted with your cursor and everything on your trackpad or on your mouse. So I do think that there is some sort of efficiency gains when it comes to Neovim, given that your hand never really leaves this escape key to the right side control key. Your hands only stay in this region itself, which is reachable by your 8 fingers, I'm sorry. Oh, not 8 fingers, I should say 10 fingers, because the thumb also can work a little bit. And just the last thing I would say, that I'm still using VS Code. Yeah, I will keep using it for some time. I still need some time to fully shift to Neovim, given that I have built my muscle memory up for VS Code as well. So given that it has supported plugins and Git lens and extensions on it, it will take me some time to port all of that over to Neovim so that I can get up and running with plugins and extensions and libraries and things like that. So here I am right now on this live stream. I will keep working on this GST application. You can join in every Saturday, Sunday, 12 afternoon, Indian Standard Time. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. See you. Okay, I'm done. Hey, Saksham Sharma. Tomorrow is my professional communication MST. Lol. Oh, nice. From where I can learn Ruby programming language, can you guide me? It's called the official documentation. Ruby docs. So here you can learn Ruby. There you go. You gonna stream until 3 p.m. or 2:30 p.m.? Today it should be 2:30. Yeah, today it should be 2:30, because yesterday my wife was in her office and I didn't really have anything to do for yesterday. apart from work. So I was like, okay, today I'll stream. But today my wife is in the house, and yeah, I need to spend some time with her as well. Therefore, today it will be 2:30. Yeah. One question before I go. Why does the industry prefer Java devs instead of Python devs? See, that is a bias you have built in within yourself. That's a bias. No, they haven't. They haven't done this. Have you ever used Python for any software development? If yes, then tell your experience. No, bro, I have not used Python so far. Um, my current job, my current client that I'm working with is trying to get me to shift to Fast API, a Python based library or something. When I'll get there, I'll let you know. But so far, no. Hi again. Last time I had asked you how to learn coding. You said stick to documentation and avoid AI. But even in documentation code, that can we copy paste? So I don't see your point, coder 9048. In that case, like, what is your way to learn coding? Just go to CPU instructions and start studying CPU instructions. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, you can code a documentation code, so what? No, for software dev and web dev, they prefer Java over Python. Huh? Who told you this, bro? That is a bias that you have built within yourself. Nobody prefers one thing over the other. As an industry, as a company, maybe, sure. As a, what is it? As a company, sure, but as an industry, no, that doesn't happen. You cannot say that industry is preferring Java over Python or Python over Java or anything like that. It doesn't happen. Why you don't teach programming? You have any problems or something also? What do you think I'm teaching with the GST app that I'm building? What do you think this is? No, I'm asking if we could copy paste code from documentation. Is that a right approach or like type? Yeah, sure. You can copy paste. You can do that. That's not an issue. What do you think this thing is? Coder course? Is this not teaching people writing a backend project? If you would have looked at the documentation link, the GitHub link in the description box, you would have known, but you choose not to. So anyway, let's get into coding a little bit. So last time I finished up the verify OTP thing, isn't it? Yeah, so yeah, this one I should delete. And why AI only means LLM? No, LLM doesn't mean AI, bro. Who told you this? Yeah, this is good enough. So now we will escape W, control N, login controller. No, like tutorial. Now I'll get into tutorial later on after I'm done with my mainstream videos. Why is every AI LLM model building company aiming to end software development? Why aren't they focused on other industries where AI can help a lot and make a significant difference? Because apparently everybody has a vendetta against software developers. They think that, oh, they are just monkeys sitting in front of a computer, tippy tappy on the keyboard, and then stuff happens. So obviously they want to end this. Have you heard the phrase, they hate us because they ain't us? There you go. Okay, as a company, why though? They ask for Java mostly. It's about what they have already built their software on. If they have already built it on Java, well, they're gonna ask for Java. And Java is like notorious for being universal, so everybody thinks that they can use Java for whatever, right? The rise of the citizen developer. What the?
This one's going to be going for the comment section. The rise of the citizen developer. So my new course in Fabric is ready.
What's the color scheme? Plug it in chat, please. This color scheme, I did not set this up. Marcos did. So, Marcos is a subscriber of my channel. So he reached out to me and helped me set up Neovim. He did it. Login, so empty email, empty password. User row active. Let token JWT sign. Return REST JSON. Logged in. Alright, so I think we are ready for our first. Please check the Lua configs. How do I do that, bro? Middleware for checking auth bearer token express.js. Hey Sid, did a bit of career guidance from you as I'm a fresher backend developer. I've been working for months in Gen AI based product company. Okay. My expectation from the jobs was like I will get opportunity to work on AI models and machine learning models, but instead my work is around some PPT, docx generation and charts. Ooh, that is brutal, bro. Could you talk to, it says default. Could you talk to your HR? It says default. With some Django backend development, I feel like I'm not learning anything new. Don't know whether if I'm just overthinking this or this is how everyone else's paths. It could be. It could be. See, Sumit, I would say that when I was a web developer for the first time professionally, I was not given the business intensive modules and everything. They wanted to they wanted to see what I was capable of. So they gave me like, fix this CRUD form for us, fix this a little thing for us, and things like that. So it's fine to feel like your potential is not getting fully used. I would say wait for 6 months, wait 6 months, keep learning, and show to your team that you have been putting in the effort to learn things, and yeah, maybe it will work out from there. I would say start freaking out if you spend a whole year and still your improvements are not coming in, like your workplace is still not offering you any extra work, any real work, I mean. Maybe just type color scheme, that should give the name for the current one. It says default, bro. You can see it on the screen. I'm developing a project into marketable product with no existing resources or similar platforms. Can you tell me how do I plan it? I'm developing a project into a marketable product with no existing resources or similar platforms. I have full clear idea of what I am building. I have no idea what you are trying to build, bro. So how do I plan it? Based off of the information that you have given me, I don't think I can help you with your situation because I don't understand what you are trying to say here. Sorry, bro. So what is the best way to create a middleware? Do I have a middleware? No, I don't. Express.js, create middleware for routing. Just saw a tweet from a guy where he wrote that in US companies aren't too much of DSK, aren't asking too much of DSA in interviews, unlike Indian market where DSA is everything in an interview. Is it true? I can't say that, bro. This is a tough question for me. Company will decide what they want to ask. Companies don't decide for each other. That's the thing. I can't say that I have been grilled with DSA when I was trying to make it as a software developer. No, I was not. I was asked development questions. So is Mernstack dead? No, bro. And Sitabjo Biswas, you still haven't sent me that Reddit link on Discord that you said yesterday. It means I'm saying that let's suppose you have an idea and want to build a product. So how would you start to build? Bottlenecks, first of all. What is stopping you from building it? That's the first question I would ask. What is stopping you right now? Is it the tech? Is it the expertise? What is it? That is the first question I would ask myself. Then how much time am I willing to put in? How much time am I willing to put in? Then what is the risk to reward ratio? Because the risk that I'm taking to build this product, what is the reward that it will give me? Is it like a generational wealth it will give me, or is it like something like a pocket money that it will give me? Hey Riddler, long time no see, bro. Been a while. What's the gist of your GST app? It's gonna be for Shopify or something? No. It's not gonna be for Shopify. It's an offline simple application, just as a way of teaching people how to write Node.js, Express.js, like scalable applications. That would be it. It's totally unique and no alternatives available in the market. Okay, so that is the next question that I would ask. After that, I would say, how much investment does it need? And that will cover both money and time. Money and time are both an investment that you will make, because at some point I'm gonna have to ask myself, should I not just get a job, a full-time job, and that will result in money? But if I use that time to build a product, then what is the money that I'm going to be making out of that? Then that's that. After that, I will be asking, how many people do I want with me? Because obviously any product that you create, you cannot do it alone. Maybe you can pull it off if you are really a 1 in a million type of person. Then yeah, you can do this. Otherwise, you're gonna have to ask, what will be the team size with you? And then initial, and then comes the roadmap. What is like roadmap? 3 months, 6 months, and a year. So where do you see yourself in 3 months? Where do you see yourself in 6 months? And where do you see yourself in a year? These are the questions I would ask, and that will pretty much lay out a plan for me automatically. Because the product, okay. Alright, some folks say that DSA is basically an elimination round for companies because there is too much of competition in Indian market. I will resume DSA after MSTs. Yeah, good enough. You know today what I did? Today I have taken this clamp of this mic right here, and I have like put this right in front of my face. Just need to reassemble the wires a little bit, but other than that, it has been working pretty well for me, I would say. Yeah, there you go. I used to do it when I was in 9th and 10th, and it was really fun, not gonna lie. Yeah, DSA is fun, bro. Yeah, so Control N. Not like this. Alt click, shift click. Okay, so Hey Wave Prime. The mods have deleted the post because the guy that made the post have built a software through which you can cheat. He was promoting that application. Oh, I see. No drama streams anymore. What kind of drama can we really cook up, bro? The one thing I can think of talking about is, have you used Warp? No, I haven't. One drama that I can think of is, what is it? Infosys getting clean chit. So that is something I can talk about if you want it. For the layoffs, Karnataka government gives clean chit to the company, says there was no relationship. Sorry, stream got paused. What were you saying? This is the drama that we can talk about. They fired 350 to 400 trainees, kept them on hold for 2.5 years, and then the law said that they are not full-time employees, therefore the labor laws don't apply to them, therefore they can be fired. So there you go. This is a drama that has happened with Infosys. Other than that, let's just build this application. I mean, if we expected any positive for the trainees, it would be a surprise. Yeah. Have you used Warp? No, bro. I have Windows Terminal and I think I'm happy with it. I don't need a, what is it? I do not need a, what is this? Do not need an agent based terminal. I do not need AI on my terminal, bro. Simple as that. Don't need it. Ismail said that he has raised another PR. Let's see. 2 people have forked it. 1 is watching it. What's up then? How's life going on? Life is going on good, I would say. My tooth is hurting right here a little bit. I don't know what has happened. Yeah. Hi, क्या मिस कर दिया मैंने? Nothing. Nothing, bro. It's all right. Hello, I am Harshit, Algorithm's friend. Welcome to the stream, programmer. The one who knocks. Welcome back, bro. Now you have inserted Docker Compose in it, bro. Come on, man. Keep it simple, will you? Used Mailpit. Localhost 8025 to access the GUI where you can view all the sent emails. Oh, I see. Well, at least I can't do that. Ah, shit. NVM in Vim. What do I name this file? Auth. Yeah. Auth.js. Then I will say module.exports equals hey, the one who knocks. Welcome to the member category, bro. Hey Akshay, welcome to the stream. Hey, did you see Theo versus Traversy media tweet? No. What happened? Oh shoot, I need to jump on this straight away. A Mac and an iPhone, check. Did you guys see this though? Like this Harshil Tomar guy, I am happy for him that he is making this much money. But this I said guy in photo in front of a laptop, check. Money mentioned in the first line to draw you in, check. Tell me this isn't similar to an MLM post. Where is home? What has happened with Theo? Okay. Where is search? Explore. Where is it? You can send me that link, Arindam. Maybe Traversy Media. Oh, that was Brad Traversy. There you go. I don't think, I can't find it for some reason. Can you give it to me, the link? Did you see the Firefox drama? I did. Firefox is now telling that they will sell your data. I did see it. It is sad. I mean, it is completely like sad. I'm building a Chrome extension right now. Not gonna lie, it's quite fun. Oh, good for you, Akshay. Update us on the progress when you get to a good stage. I want to see it. I have to find my earphones. Oh, there it is. 1 second. Do you follow Ladybird browser updates? No, bro. Ladybird browser, I haven't really tried it. And at this point, I question if I will try it. But we'll see. Alright, let's see the rise of citizen developer. We should stop improving technology so it's marginally easier for tutorial makers to continue selling old content. Ooh, he has taken a shot. Because I saw this from Traversy Media, where they complained that Tailwind has unchanged once again, and like it's difficult for them to keep up with the changes. So now every now and then they spin up a new app, and now they have to go back and read the documentation. What has changed now? I know. I've seen this. I've seen this. Oh man, Theo just took a shot at Traversy Media. Tailwind config is optional now. Still works with one less stuff, less maintenance, good thing. React Routers API did not change between V6 and V7. React itself is truly absurd, obsessive level of back compatibility. I think it is. Or back compat. Next.js does as well. Never had issues with apps of almost any size when pumping those depths. Even more bleeding edge tools like React Query and TRPC usually provide code mods when they make meaningful changes to the APIs. This is such a non-issue. The only victim is people who make tutorials and educational materials. Net win for everyone else. Damn, he took a shot. The only people overwhelmed by the speed of change in the ecosystem are in content creation or education. No product engineer is overwhelmed because for more projects, the tech stack is chosen at the birth of the project and then very incrementally updated as time goes on and when appropriate, largely for security updates or when there's a really nice new feature. I have been perfectly happy and productive front-end engineer for 7 years right now, and at no point have I felt overwhelmed with the speed of the ecosystem. Has it changed from job to job? Sure, but I sure just pick up what I need to know at each job and move on with my life. Damn. I saw this from Traversy Media, and oh, here it is. Creators of these frameworks are just trolling us. Just leave things alone. Yeah, I saw this tweet. I was like, I somewhat see what Traversy Media is saying, because their tutorials going outdated is still a problem. It's still a very real problem. Should a tutorial maker keep up with the updates in the same way that a professional developer should keep up with the latest updates? Ethically, yes, they should. Because guess what? The developer who is building a solution for his company is getting paid, and the tutorial maker who is making new tutorials is getting paid for it as well. So I would say it is an L take. from Traversy Media. But Theo went full berserk mode. And was Brad serious here? Mincing over a config file seems almost like a troll. Sorry Theo, Brad has a point here. Most of the updates are not really improvement. React router added data fetching. Why? I wanted to handle routes, that's it. What happened with separation of concerns? Router should route and do it good. It should not have fetching ability. This is a double-edged sword. Yeah, really. This is like both places you can see somewhat a good thing and somewhat a bad thing. The Zen browser is pretty dope. Let me see. Zen browser. The Zen browser. Welcome to a calmer internet. Oh, I don't think they have seen what Twitter is. And here we have our Sunday exclusive right here. Let me check this out a little bit. Beta is now available. Explore Zen. Huh. So a full web page like this and then everything on the left sidebar rather than the top-down approach. Community driven. How does Zen keep you always organized? Oh, this is like the browser Theo uses, right? That scramble game. When will games begin? There will be games, but I don't want you to take me for granted. Like just because I am streaming, then that means that there will be games. My take is technology will keep on evolving. Being stagnant and not trying to improve is bad in my view. Somewhat, yeah, somewhat. Yeah, it is. But then, just because you're improving doesn't mean that everything is going in a better direction. Sometimes improving something makes it shittier than it used to be, isn't it? So sometimes it's fair to say that you should leave things alone, because improving it just makes it shittier. Like you can't say that, okay, Nginx engine is going to be updated on every single server in the entire world, and well, if you did not upgrade, if you did not update, well, it's your fault. Can't really do that, can you? It was inspired by Arc, kind of. So now Theo migrated to Zen as well. He uses Zen and Vivaldi. Oh, okay. Have you ever eaten Kolkata Lal Changani famous club kachori? I have eaten club kachori enough. But not the one that you are saying, coding course. Sorry, it's Ladybird. Yeah. Sponsor. Customizable to the last pixel. Wow, nice. Oh, we can download this. Should I download this? Bro, you missed my question. Sorry, bro. Nabadeep Talukdar. Where is your question? Can't find your question, bro. Where is it? Nabadip Talukdar. Preparing for front-end development job, but feeling scared AI will replace software engineers. This statement is how much is true, brother? I would say 0%. 0% it is true. Don't worry about it. Just learn it how you would. You're good. You're good to go. Do it. Standard. Yeah. Installing Zen. Let's see. Launch Zen now. Welcome to a common internet. Next. Import now. Don't set Zen as your default browser. Next. Your key tabs always within reach. Next. Your workspaces, your colors. Next. Dive in. All right. Huh. How do I... Okay, here it is. Okay. r/Zen browser. Okay. New tab. Let's say YouTube. Does it skip ads? Search something to get started. Let's say trending. Oh, it does. It does skip ads. Okay. I use this in Brave. Zen doesn't really have install uBlock. Oh, I see. My take is technology will keep on evolving, being stagnant. I am building Web3 version of Dream 11 so that we don't have to pay taxes. Anyone will be interested? Sure. No egg today. No egg today? Yeah, that's ARC. Okay. Bhaiya, will you play game today? Thank you, brother. I have it as minimal as possible. Okay, let's play a game. Yeah, let's do it. But later on, not now. I have it as minimal as possible. Bro, try this game. Audio is not audible for the stream, I guess. Oh! Oops, sorry. Huh? Patrick's... This game, is it? PC game 2022. Nah, I'm good, bro. Not right now.
Platform. They hire you because you have a skill and you're supposed to come in and be able to do that skill. So for citizen data analysts, they're not going to have that, right? They're going to come in and maybe they'll have basic computer skills. So you're going to have courses that are going to teach them this platform, whatever that platform is. In our example, it's going to be Fabric. Governance.
Yeah, I know. This website gives virus sometimes. I know. Anything that you download for free on the internet, susceptible of virus. I would say Windows Defender has protected my PC good enough for a long time, and I hope it will keep doing that.
It's been, yeah. All right, so not spelled right. So what? You're going to have new policies. You're going to have restrictions on the data. You're going to have to do a lot of things to remain compliant here because there are things like HIPAA.
Okay, what the hell am I watching? I don't think I understand this at all. Look at this Charlie's thumbnail. This is another drama that happened today.
अगर तुमने गालियां बोली उस
Because this guy, Omi, he doesn't seem to be in a state where he wants to leave Shwetab alone. So he basically said, good video, but you lost me when you started justifying that Ranveer Alabadia joke was disgusting. You clearly know that the contestant had consented to appear on the show and was aware that the panel would crack jokes about him. By the way, keep coping. And because of this, Shwetab has now posted a community post where he has said that making this post so that people know why no such videos will be made in the future. All love to this human being as well. Thank you. Share that going forward. I will not be replying to any videos made on me by whomever. Let's see Ishan Sharma. Ishan Sharma is like another one. Yeah, here we go. I am 23. Please watch this if you are 13 to 22 years old.
It's a very emotional day for me because I am here in Mumbai at the Four Seasons for the Apple Experience event to have the first look at iPhone 6.
This is like, see, the bragging has started in the very first second of the video. He did not even wait like what? Where is the playback speed? He couldn't even wait for like 10 minutes, a minute or something into the video to start bragging. So tell me that Ishan Sharma doesn't represent MLM people.
But the emotional part is, I used to live in Chakop around 2017 and 18 in Mumbai itself. मैंने कहीं एक quote पढ़ा था which said that लोगों की पूरी life निकल जाती है to come from North Bombay to South Bombay, and that is the struggle, that is the rat race of Bombay itself. And today, 7 years later, I get called out by Apple, by top companies around the world to come to make videos, to have this life. Like, look at this. The last 24 hours have been this. Had the epic sunset view right there, had food.
What does that have to do with anything? Right, Ishan? First of all, you're not the only influencer that is called by Apple. Let's just stop pretending that you got an exclusive Apple invite. You got it, sure, but so did other influencers as well. Stop trying to pretend that you are the only one. You were not. Second of all, these things, companies do bear the cost of these things, given that your influencer and your audience will get to know about the Apple product because of you. So the sales will come in because of you, using your discount code and everything. So the companies do give you these things a little bit to make you feel like you're getting this exclusive treatment. But it's all just for money. The company sees some profit in you. So now you're trying to say that, look at me, 48 hours I've been staying here. Well, after 48 hours, where are you going to go?
Food over here, this was the room itself. And I'm asking to myself, कि ये कैसे हुआ? How did this all happen?
It is all materialistic. It is so materialistic. It's just making you feel like, look at me, I have so much money, and look at you, you have no money. That's all this is. And like, this is why I say coding is a sort of MLM. This is a coder, right? He does make videos about coding, about AI agents or whatever. And look at him. We are 52 seconds into the video. He has already mentioned Apple. He has already mentioned Four Seasons. He has already shown you around his room. And now he is trying to appeal to your emotions. This is what MLM people do.
Happen. And I have one answer for it. I'm shaking as I'm saying this right now, but everything that I had dreamt of and stuff that I didn't even dream about has happened to me in the last 4-5 years. And I'm 23 today. And you know what separates me from all the people who just think about doing something? It is the act of executing. Just thinking about something that you want to do and working on it day and night. I was talking with my friend about passion last night, and I realized that I can literally make videos. I can literally make marketing strategies for companies without ever getting paid for it. Like when I started my YouTube journey, पहले 6 महीने मैंने कुछ भी कमाई नहीं की. Like legit, I was getting paid nothing, and I still persisted. Every day I was obsessed with YouTube. Every day I would make a new video. I would think.
I don't think you were obsessed with YouTube. I think you were obsessed with LinkedIn. All of these quotes that you have said. Yeah, did you notice that he said that he was talking to his friend about passion? This is some rich bullshit, I would say, where you get together with your friends and you start to talk about passion. Oh, we and my friends, we talk about passion, you know.
Think about ways to improve my video. I would think about what skills can I learn, how can I improve myself. So that ability to continuously upskill myself and execute whatever I have in my mind is what got me here today. I think this is something which helped me do 10 years of growth in the last 3-4 years itself, and more importantly the last 2 years itself. Because 2022 May I dropped out of my college, and today I think that was the best decision ever because it gave me the freedom to do anything that I want to, and hence I started reaching out.
He doesn't know C of coding and influencing people. AI will do that. Wow. And in last he sponsor ad. Yeah, very bad precedent. I don't know what he'll say next, but nah.
To companies, started marketing myself, learned how to sell effectively, just got the first office of my company in Bangalore, and ये सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, and I'm so grateful for it. But if you can take one thing from this entire video, it is this: if you have an idea, if you have just a desire to do something, never let people tell you that you cannot do it. Never let someone who has smaller dreams than you tell you that you cannot execute that you cannot win that race. Believe me, मुझे पिछले 4-5 साल में ऐसे बहुत लोग मिले हैं जिन्होंने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट किया है, जिन्होंने मेरी हर चीज़ पे पूछा है कि तुम ये कैसे कर सकते हो, ये तो होता ही नहीं है, ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, ड्रॉप आउट कैसे कर सकते हो, किताब कैसे लिख सकते हो, यूएस ट्रैवल कैसे कर सकते हो अपने आप विदाउट स्टडीइंग देयर.
He had to throw in that US travel. This is such an Indian mentality, man. This is such an Indian mentality. Once you go to USA or whatever, you start to feel like I have made it because I have been to US. This is such an Indian mentality. He has gotten rich and everything, but it seems like his mind is still stuck being poor and all.
Without MBA, तुमको कोई भाव क्यों देगा? And so I used to question about this कि मुझे मेरे में क्या है ऐसा? Why would people want to listen to me? Why would people care about me? Why would brands want to work with me? But I executed every single day and I kept at it. That is what separates the winners from the people who just keep thinking about it. Most people around you do not work at the same frequency at which you want to work at. So never listen to.
Doesn't it sound like an MLM pitch? Doesn't it sound like he's gonna pitch his get rich quick scheme? Doesn't it sound like that? Like, don't listen to people, just keep working, just keep executing at it. By the way, here's 30% discount on my MLM. MLM is pyramid scheme, bro, pyramid scheme. But doesn't it sound like that? Sometimes I think that this guy, I think has been on LinkedIn a little bit too much. He has taken the quotes that gets passed around in WhatsApp family groups or whatever a little bit too seriously, and he has created his entire persona around those quotes.
To people who you don't want to be. Like, I have heard so many negative things from teachers, from sometimes even relatives, from sometimes even friends. They don't mean anything bad from me. Most people do not have the ability to think bigger, and they are all in their small bubbles, in their.
Arey yaar, like this is. What is this video? Like, what is he trying to say? So in the entire video, he is just sitting around on the couch and just speaking to the camera. So now let's go back to the starting of the video and let's watch this.
It's a very emotional day for me because I am here in Mumbai at the Four Seasons for the Apple Experience event to have the first look at iPhone 16e. But the emotional part is
iPhone 16e. But in the later part of the video, nowhere he has showed that he has gone to the experience event or whatever. Good for him that it worked, but not everybody has the same life. Yeah, that's what it is. And people like him, like they assume that just because it worked out for him, then that means that it will work out for everyone else. No, that's not how it happens. So let's see one of his posts. And his post is 4 days ago, and this video is 20 hours ago. So 20 hours ago from then till now, there is no post about the Apple event that he was there for. Yeah, there is nothing. So is it even true? Like I'm now questioning whether he was there for that event or not. Maybe he just booked a room and just shot a video there. Who knows? Is bro trained on LinkedIn dataset? Yeah, it does seem like that. Probably check on Instagram if you're curious, or X. Five courses that changed my life, best AI tools, then whatever this is, nothing. One day you are working super hard for IIT JEE and then you dropped out of college to build your business and travel the world. In Mumbai look like, woke up in 4 seasons to beautiful view of Worli, sea face, got breakfast and completed a 5-hour gym session. And what? First of all, he is in the gym for 5 hours. Isn't that insane? Like, look at this. To build your business and travel the world, Mumbai look like, woke up in 4 seasons, beautiful view of Worli, sea face, got breakfast and completed a 5-hour gym session. Are you serious about this? 5-hour gym session. Bro, mic se dur. No, this is what this is gonna be like now. Maybe I can do this to soften up my voice. Hey Himanshu Dubey, welcome back. But anyway, you look at this guy. He's so locked in that he has been spending 5 hours in the gym. Get the hell out of here, bro. Stalking women if you are 5 hours in gym. Yeah, there you go. Nothing about the Apple experience event. 5-hour gym just to be blown away by wind. Doesn't even have a build like that. Building a GST app. We were working on that, Shubh. Actually, let me change the title of that thumbnail. Screw it. I'm gonna say Sunday chill stream. Sorry, 2nd March, I'm sorry. 2nd March. Yeah, done. No offense, but he is good. He gave positive, like positive what, bro? Anybody can do that for you. But there is a line that you cross and there you go, Shubh. There you go, Shubh. I solved your problem. Moha's Tech. এক ঘন্টা শুভারকিল লাগে আমার জন্যে Okay, I don't understand what this is. I don't understand the Bengali. I can read the Bengali that you have written. However, 1 hour is overkill for me. Oh, yeah. No, but he's apparently he's giving 5 hours into the gym. You gonna watch the match today? Nah. Which match are you talking? Cricket match today. New Zealand versus India. Oh. Today 2:30 p.m. Okay. No, bro. I'm not interested in cricket anymore. I'm a little bit done with cricket. Can anyone suggest some ways to fight eye strain from screen? My eyes sting. Only way to do it is this. Just do this and you're good. Maybe sit in a well lit environment. Maybe don't sit in the dark. Having just one screen blaring its light at you. That's another way of doing it. After that, night light screen. Yeah, there is a night light mode. Yeah. You can do that. After that, getting good sleep, I would say. Turn the brightness down a little bit, I would say. There are two, three things. And first of all, why am I telling you this? You are a grown-up adult man. You should be able to come up with these things yourself. Did you see what Firefox did? I did. I saw. They are now selling your data. If India loses, God forbid never, you will start selling courses. Hey? What does one thing have to do with other, bro? Are you asking me a question or is it like a statement that you are making on me? They are saying buy or house, rent versus buy a house. As if buying a house is an option at all. Blink 20 times in a minute. Go out for 20 minutes, see long distance, do this particular exercise every morning. Doctor suggested me this. What about InMobi CEO? Fuck him. React to this, bro. React to what, bro? And your link is not going to be in this live stream, bro. YouTube apparently doesn't allow links to be posted. So tell me the video title, I will do it. Actually, let me change the thumbnail as well. Thumbnail is fine, right? I think so, yeah. The link cancelled out. Yeah, I know, the link cancelled out. Give me the link, give me the title of the video. Yeah, I'll do it. Vikram Singh, first time on the stream, I think. Backend dev, JavaScript plus Node.js plus DevOps plus AWS. Is that good enough in 2025? Yes, it is. It is. I can't keep pretending that you need to learn a bunch of things when you actually don't need to. Add a dot. What? Let me Google this for you guys. How to send YouTube links in live stream chat. Hey bro, tried out Zen cool Firefox wrapper. Yeah, I have it now. Zen, right here. Boom, here we go. So I have it. I installed it just now. Not gonna use it for a little bit though. Just hop on Twitch or send it in Discord. There are many Firefox forks. I'm going to try Zen too. Yeah, I like it. I like it. This is good. This is good. Nice. Do you see the link? If yes, remove the HTTPS. Right click on the sidebar. Okay, 1 second. Compact mode. Okay. Oh, here it is. Oh. Ah, Google Ads. Fuck you. Okay, so this is not like Brave. We have to watch ads. Okay, I see. Or install uBlock. Yeah. Hover now to the left. Okay, let's see. Oh, compact mode, enable compact mode. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, this is good. I like it. However, this theme color is bad. Let me change it to some color that yeah, this is good. Nice, nice. Yeah, good enough. Install uBlock and you are good. No, I already have a YouTube Premium, so it's all right. I should still install uBlock Origin. All of these news websites that I read, yeah, that should help out. Never wanted a job. Let's jump ahead a little bit. So C, ADA, Pascal, Lisp, Fortran, C++, Assembly, COBOL, Basic, Forth, APL, RPG. Man, I haven't heard about, I don't even know about Forth and APL. Install uBlock Origin. Okay, I see. Feed, update, okay. Let me see. So what is it? Police guy beating this guy up? If I was the victim of the situation, this would have been the last day of his bossy life. Who cares about jobs? There are plenty of them available for each one of us. The hunger and compensation of the employee should be paid by his blood. Hang them all. So this is like a boss. You can't hit anyone. This is unacceptable. Damn.
আমার অফিসে ঝগড়া করিস আমার চিনিস আর আমার নাম শুনে ভয় আবার ভয় পায়
Damn. These things are happening now. This guy should be thrown in jail. I already hate this video. I already hate this video. People dumber than you are getting 200k plus software engineering jobs. I hate this. Hey coding ASMR Pradev. Yeah, doing fine, bro. Context, bro. I don't think there should be a context. It's just that if you're a boss of somebody, then you can't just hit anybody. That's it. Bro, news sites have more ads than news. Yeah. That's why like I need to add a uBlock origin, ad block or uBlock, whatever this is. Alaikum bro, apni Bangla bujhen? Yes bro, I can understand Bengali. Hello, am I late? No, you're not, Vivek. You're all right. Yes, আমি বাংলা বলতে পারি, আমি বাংলা বুঝতে পারি। যদি তোমাকে বাংলাতে বলতে হয় লাইভ স্ট্রিমে বলে দাও। No, I meant what happened, what is the story? The thing that he did is still bad, but what happened there? I don't know what the context is, but anyway, whatever it is, whatever the context is, as a company owner, as a boss, you can't just hit people, hit your employees. But COBOL is not তুমি কি বাঙালি? Yes bro, কি চলছে দাদা? ভালোই আছি, কি বলবো আমি? I'll leave then. Have a nice stream. Doesn't matter, no context is required. What are you saying, Wave Prime? What happened to you? Why would you leave if there is no context? I don't have any context. I know just as much as you do. Why are you expecting me to find out what happened there? It's just one of those local whatever things that just happens. I can understand Bangla. Speaking it tough, grammar mistakes always. Is Assamese allowed in the stream? What kind of question is that, bro? I don't discriminate anybody. Yeah, anyway. Make a body like Bhaiya and someone hitting you, hit him back. I think that guy should have been beaten up anyway by people. Sir, how to become freelancer? Freelancing happens after your 3 or 4 experience of a full-time job. So first go to a full-time job and yeah. Okay. Okay, then you have to go. So you have to go. Okay, thanks, Wave Prime. Thanks for stopping by. So Samyajit, first you have to be a little bit. You have to do a full-time job for 3 to 4 years. Build up your network. Only then you can become a freelancer. Curious Abhi, welcome back. Mohas Tech. Hey Sid, we are building a Gen AI chatbot for the university using open source tools. FAIS, LangChain on VPS, open source LLMs. Need low latency, cost-effective setup for public and internal users. So what are you asking me? Are you asking me any sort of setup that would cost you less money? How to earn money as a full stack developer? What kind of question is that, bro? Just get a job. That's it. Any tech stack recommendations? Go with AWS, I would say. AWS is good enough for your initial requirements, right? Can someone in college earn money from coding like 1 to 2K something? Please don't get into this. 1,000 to 2,000 rupees is not gonna change your life or whatever, and it's gonna take way more effort, good enough to ruin your college grades. So don't do it for this much, 1 or 2,000 rupees a month. Internship maybe, yeah, internship is a good thing, But if you're not in an internship stage, please don't think about making money. Without a job currently, I'm a student. Oh, then complete your studies, bro. After that, just apply for a job. Hey, PHP made the entry. Here we go. PHP mentioned. Damn, Java just took it by storm. Removed C from the throne. Let me just turn the sound off altogether. Use Django with local models and deploy the model in Google Colab and other things in cloud. Okay, you know this better than me, 7 Cents Gamer. If you want to earn quick buck in college, you can create projects for students. There are many who want to buy projects. Yeah, that is a good way to do it. But still, you know. (2005) 2005 was around 20 years ago now. This is crazy. 2007, still Java and PHP. Damn. PHP is even more popular than JavaScript. That's crazy. How do you find this data out is my question. How do you find this data? Specific to year wise. Or can you just make anything that you want? How did JS skip that far? Survey. Oh, Stack Overflow survey. Okay. Some tech lead who uses PHP anymore. Sir, how can I become a very good coder? By practice, Soumyaji. Just keep practicing. You'll get there. USA Tech Survey. Ah, okay. I see. C# and C is going down. Python is making the rounds. Okay. Python is about to overtake PHP, it seems. Now PHP is 4th. Java is still taking the lead. JavaScript is still taking the second place. I think Java is going to be surpassed by JavaScript. Oh, Python is quickly rising now. Nice. MATLAB is still here. Nice. Damn. Java got surpassed. And it seems like JavaScript is going to surpass Java. Oh, damn. TypeScript is making its way up. C# is still here. (2025 Q1). We are still here. So what are the rankings? Python is at the number 1, JavaScript 2nd, Java 3rd, C#, TypeScript, C++, C, PHP. Oh, Rust made its place. Then Golang made its place. R and Kotlin. Nice. Thanks. Basically, I got the project from my university. I have a 3% non-Gen AI knowing dev. Gotta explore more. Yes. Sir, C के बाद क्या सीखूं? मुझे कोडिंग बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. C++ bro. JS, JavaScript, TypeScript supremacy. Yeah, TypeScript is here and JavaScript is here above PHP. Yeah, there is a supremacy. But Python devs, they are the ones way ahead of JavaScript even. So yeah, they won. At least till now, they have been holding the number 1 rank. Of course, it is the AI bros. Oh, that's why. I see. That is why. Actually, my friend is in first year and he's earning 15K a month. He works in a small company and take project. Is this good or bad? Maybe if it works out for him, why not? Thanks, but it should be scalable. University has 20K plus students. 20K plus students you can easily handle with a 4 GB RAM EC2 instance. It's not that bad. I mean, you can do so many things with Python, not only AI. But AI has had a influence, bro. AI has its influence in the #1 ranking. We can't deny that. Anyway, I found out this Dreambird interpreter, which is called the Perfect JS, Perfect Programming Language. Yeah, nothing to do with JavaScript, I'm sorry. It is made in Python for the sole reason that the interpreter can itself be interpreted. Future plans include creating a Dreambird interpreter in Dreambird so that the Dreambird interpreter can be passed into the Dreambird interpreter, which is then interpreted by the Dreambird interpreter, aka Python. This may or may not be created due to difficulty moving everything over and whatnot. I'll try though. We live in a simulation. Yeah, this does feel like a simulation. This is incredibly slow. My implementation of Dreambird is suboptimal, which itself runs on a sub-performant language Python, which runs on a pretty fast language C. However, speed was never a focus in creating any interpreter for Dreambird and shouldn't be. It's not a language meant for day-to-day use. It's a work of art. It's a work of art. Nice. By doing any of the following. Okay, so 4 commands you can install Dreambird. Each of these commands installs Dreambird with respective dependencies. Input install the PyInput package and allows the use of after statements and event watchers. Globals install PyGithub and allows you to declare const variables that are publicly stored using GitHub. First of all, there is something called a const variable. Never knew that this is possible. And you must enter a personal access token in GitHub access token environment variable. Okay. To do. Okay. Absent features. Okay, fine. So implemented features. Let's jump to this straight away. Be bold. End every statement with an exclamation mark. Okay, so like a semicolon. Okay, that is fine. Okay, Roop, bye-bye. If you're feeling extra bold, you can use even more. Yeah, you can use multiple semicolons. That is all right. Recursion going on. Hey bro, hi, my manager gave me a task like he gave me the heartbeat video, which is keep on beating and I have to find out if it's a heartbeat rate and show it in a graph. Damn. Whew, that is difficult. You have to work with sensors, it seems like. But that is crazy. That is crazy. If you are unsure, that is okay. You can put a question mark at the end of the line instead. It prints debug info about that line to the console for you. Print hello world? Yeah, okay. Fine. You might be wondering what Dreambird uses for the not operator, which is an exclamation mark in most other languages. That's fair. That is simple. The not operator is a semicolon instead. Oh damn. That is crazy. He just flipped it. Okay. Fine. Maybe until this point we can tolerate things. But let's keep moving. I'm trying to chat, but your chat is censoring my words, not posting. I don't know what you're trying to say, bro. And so first of all, I'm not doing anything to your chat. It's just YouTube, what it does. You may jump to Twitch if you want, but this is just YouTube doing it, not me. There are 4 types of declaration. Constant constants can be changed in any way. Const name equals Luke. Constant variables can be edited but not reassigned. Const var name equals Luke, name.pop, name.pop. Variable constants can be reassigned but not edited. Like there is const var and there is var const. What? Variables can be reassigned and edited. Var name equals Luke. Damn. Okay. Mutable data is an anti-pattern. Use the const keyword to make a constant. Its value will become constant and immutable and will never change. Please be careful with this keyword, and it is very powerful. Will affects all users globally forever. Why globally forever, bro? Okay. Pi equals 3.14. Both variables and constants can be named with any Unicode character or string. Const for alphabet letter equal to A. Var const thumbs up equals true. Var what is this? 1 equals 1. This includes numbers and other language constructs. Const unchanging equals const. Unchanging 5 equals 4. Print 2 plus 2 equal to 5. What? What the hell? Some languages start array at 0, which can be unintuitive for beginners. Some languages start arrays at once, which isn't representative of how the code actually works. Dreambird does the best of both worlds. Arrays start at -1. That is great. That is great. You can now use floats for indexes too. What the? Oh man. Const var scores equal to this. Scores 0.5 equal to 4. Print scores give you 3, 2, 4, 5. That is crazy. In case you really need to vary a variable, the when keyword lets you check a variable each time it mutates. Const var health equal to 10. When health equal to 0, print you lose. Okay, that's alright. Can I earn money from freelancing in college? No, you can't. You shouldn't. You can, but you shouldn't. Sir, specialization में क्या लाऊं? College में BCA, AI, ML, cyber security, data analytics. Go with cyber security, bro. You're all right. I took some creative liberty implementing the when statement, so here's how it works. Okay. So let's, okay, here's loops. Huh? What is this? Dreambird has a built-in garbage collector that will automatically clean up unused variables. Note that that's simply Python's garbage collector. I didn't implement anything. However, if you want to be extra careful, you can specify a lifetime for a variable with a variety of units. Name 2 equals Luke, lasts for 2 lines. 20s meaning lasts for 20 seconds. Then bro, why are you asking me then? If you have heard that some other field has more scope, go with that. That's all right. By default, a variable will last until the end of the program. But you can make it last in between program runs by specifying a longer lifetime. Infinity equals Luke, lasts forever. Damn. Yes, this is a thing. It stores your variables and values to a folder in your home directory. Oh man, that's nuts. Booleans can be true, false, or maybe. That's awesome. Constant var key is equal to this. After key down, this is true, this is false. Key equals undefined, return maybe. That is nice. Booleans are stored as 1.5 bits. Even that is great. Scope is less and job opportunities are also less compared to software engineering. People are writing vulnerable code using AI, so yes, cybersecurity would be a good choice. See, I told you cybersecurity, and then see, people support it and there are people who don't support it. आप कुछ instruction दीजिए ना. I told you to do cybersecurity, bro. Just go with it. Dreambird has significant white space. Use spacing to specify the order of arithmetic operation. Oh no, bro. That is nuts. Are you kidding me right now? Bro made programming language for quantum computing. This is even more than quantum computing, bro. This is like universe programming or something like that. But from a relative we can do project. Yeah, sure, why not? आज lunch में क्या है? I already ate my Maggie, bro. It was right here. I already ate it. Unlike some other languages, Dreambird allows you to use the caret for exponentiation. Okay, that is all right. Then what is the... It is the caret for exponentiation, right? Okay, whatever. You can also use the same, you can also use the number name. For example, print 1 plus 2. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, no. Are you kidding me right now? Why would you want this? Why would you want this? Seriously. Hey, 40 followers. That is, thank you for my Twitch audience. Hi, I'm private. Yeah, now you can say whatever you want, bro. Yes, the second line is also valid. In an effort to preserve my sanity, I have limited this quirk to all numbers up to 99. After that, you're on your own. Okay, at least there is some sort of limit. Okay, fine. Bro, why did you shift from noodles to Maggie? But it is still noodles, right? 7 cents. You must have passion for the topic you are learning, and cybersec has multiple paths. I'm intrigued by cryptography. For you, it must be something else. Yeah. I don't know why the chat censored the word Mojo for some reason. Oh. Maybe Mojo has a bad meaning to the word. I don't know. Like in a certain context. Maybe a blacklisted word by YouTube. I don't know. When it comes to indentation, Dreambird strikes a happy medium that can be enjoyed by everyone. All indents must be 3 spaces long. That is great. That is great. Minus 3 spaces is also allowed. Your code will error if you have indents that are not a multiple of 3. No, 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 no. I can only imagine like what will happen if I make a project in Dreambird, right? And in my company, there's like 15 developers working on it. And all of us has to be like on the exact same operating system, exact same code editor, exact same prettiers and linters. And only then we can be sure that we can work together, we can collab together. And even in that, some dickhead decides to use the -3 indentation and pretty much fucks up the indentation and all. This is a nightmare. The fact that you will have indentation and that will determine if the code will run, that's insane to me. Have you heard of Mojo Lang? Check on Fireship. Okay, I'll check Fireship. 1 second, but let me read this. Yeah, from relative can take a project. Yes, also have passion for cybersec. See, there are so many people who are doing cybersecurity in the chat. So don't freak out about it. I haven't explored the subdomain. I want to go, but still getting my fundamentals right is the first thing to do. Hey, Saksham, you will make it, bro. That's a good backend plus cybersec. It's a nicest skill set to have. Yeah. JavaScript lets you do different levels of comparison. Equal equals for loose and triple equals for a more precise check. Dreambird takes this to another level. You can use double to do a loose check. Okay, that is true. Do a more precise check. That is false. Okay. You can use quadruple equals to be even more precise. Like what is this, bro? Oh man. What is this? Oh. My head is melting. Pi equals pi. 3.14. 3.14 equals pi. False. And if you want to be much less precise, you can use equals. Okay, then how do I differentiate what is assignment and what is comparison? Damn it, man. This is seriously one of the craziest things I've ever seen. Hey Sid, have you gotten fast in Neovim? I am working on server code in Neovim. Man, it feels annoying. I feel the need to go VSC, but when I move to VSC, I feel much slower. Huh? You go to VS Code and you feel slower. That is something I heard for the first time. Now I am here too. Okay, okay. It is true, we don't need to know programming extensively to get into cybersec, like SOC analyst. No, I would disagree with that. You do need to know what you're talking about. Hey Vivek. But this is the first time I'm hearing about it, Arindam, that somebody is saying that they feel faster in Neovim and slower in VS Code. As of right now, I do feel slower in Neovim, but that is all right. I'll practice. I don't find it a problem. To declare a function, you can use any letters from the word function as long as they are in order. Function, func, fun, fn, functy, union. Oh. This is a nightmare, man. This is a nightmare. I use VS Code and I don't think it is slow. Yeah, so do I. Funtus.com, याद है आपको? No, I don't know. Funtus.com, I don't remember that, bro. But this is insane, man. You had lunch, bro. Yes, I did. This was my lunch. Maggie, a little bit. But yeah, I have had it. I mean, fingers remember the command shortcuts. When I try to move the cursor around, those get in the way. Oh, I see. भाई इससे अच्छा तो मैं बाइनरी में कोड कर लूँ. Yeah, but this is insane, man. Function, func, fun, fn, functi, union. So technically, I can write fctn, and that would still be a function as long as they are in order. Division by 0 returns undefined. Okay, this is all right. Instead of infinity, undefined. Okay, fine. I can't imagine have Maggie every day. I'll die on constipation. Bro, who told you that this is every day for me? Every day Maggie. I don't eat it every day. Even in Saturday streams, you will not see me eating Maggie. Maybe in an off chance, but not on Saturday live streams also. Sunday is exclusive for me. So 4 days a month, I will eat Maggie. That's all. Strings can be declared with a single quotes or double quotes. Okay, so that's all right. They can also be declared with triple quotes. Okay, that's somewhat okay. In fact, you can use any number of quotes you want. So do these have to match? It doesn't seem like they are matching right now. Single quote, 4 double quotes, then 3 double quotes, 1 single quote, 1 double quote. So it's not even matching properly, and they are saying that you can do it. Even 0, constant name equals Luke. Nope. My only question is, sometimes you will do something like this, double quotes, and inside that single quote Lu, and then you print it in a browser, and then it appears with single quotes Lu, right? The browser takes away the double quotes from this line, right? Now, how would you do it in Dreambird if you want a string to appear with the quotes around it? Maybe there's like a escape something provided, isn't it? Bro, next week, Bulldog Korean noodles. What is Bulldog Korean noodles, bro? Do you know what though? I have tried getting these noodles around. Yeah, I know, 3x spicy. I have tried finding these noodles if they can be delivered to my house or whatever. But it doesn't seem like in Jharkhand it is available somewhere, anywhere. Maybe I am not doing it correctly, but yeah, I'll get there one day. Sunday is exclusive for everyone, unless you have MSTs the next day like I have. You need to learn programming anyways. You need to read the code. I am doing Python and JavaScript for a long time and C++ for DSA. Yeah, that is good. Hey, how can we buy a bike? Like right now, my salary is 18K in R&D expenses. is 6K, and how can I manage to get a good bike? Like, I see children around me with a super bike without having a job. Bro, if you are watching children having super bike without having a job, then that means that their family is rich. That's how they did it. And your salary is 18K and you want a bike, then EMI is your only option. Like, what else would it be? Not found local stores. Nope, didn't find it in local stores. Hyderabad mail status. What is it? A study by the University of Hyderabad found that 84% of IT employees in India suffer from metabolic dysfunction associated fatty liver disease. The study also revealed that 71% of the employees are obese and 34% have metabolic syndrome, increasing the risk of MAFLD. Fatty liver develops when there are more than 5% fat accumulates in the liver. The condition linked to a sedentary work, poor diet and stress can lead to severe liver disease like cirrhosis or cancer. Experts recommend regular health checkups, work-life balance and stress management to reduce risk. Whatever, bro. I really don't care. 71% are obese. Like, that is like, Indian obese is different than American obese, bro. American obese is like 350 kilograms. Indian obese is like 110 kilograms. That's why you should go to gym. Yeah, tonight I'm going to a new gym. I'm getting myself registered at a newer gym. Have you ever been to Mahakumbh Mela? Just curious. Not me, but my wife has. She just went a week back. Anyway, let's continue. To parse strings with many codes, the interpreter scans the code for the shortest possible string. As soon as a pair of code groups is found, then the is equal in terms of code count on both sides. That is considered a string. Reads two first double quotes, detects that there is a pair and returns the corresponding empty string. This is repeated twice for the two remaining pairs of double quotes. Therefore, the avoid to premature detection of strings, simply create your starting quote with a single this and any number of this, like so. Oh, then why would I use double quotes, bro? I would just use single quotes. This is as complicated as it is in order to allow the declaration of empty strings without many problems. String interpolation. Please remember to use your regional currency. Huh? Why would I remember my currency symbol when I'm interpolating strings? This is crazy. This is introducing complexity for the sake of introducing complexity. Bro, I want to change my gym. I hate my trainer. Let me finish this, bro. 1 second. I'll start the game. Just 1 second. So hello pound sterling and hello euro, hello yuan name. This is dumbass. This is just introducing complexity for the sake of it. It was specified in the original repo to allow developers to follow their local typographical norms. While I think I could, that is not something I want to do, and therefore I will not do it. Additionally, if the regional currency cannot be determined, the interpolation symbol defaults to a $sign. Okay, at least that's how we have that. Okay, tell me how to get rich as you though. I have the ability to learn. Just let me know on what things we have to invest time. I want to be rich as fast as I can for my parents' common. Bro, let's do roadmap. Madding, it seems like you need some counseling, bro. It doesn't seem like you are in the right state of mind. Who told you that I'm rich, first of all, is something I don't understand. I'm not rich. Trust me, I'm not. And second of all, you cannot learn and you cannot guarantee success based on what I did, because I was placed in a way different environment, in a way different condition, and the things that I went through was different, and you won't be able to replicate it as is and expect the same result. Maybe you can get better results than me in the time that I spent, or maybe worse. Oh, 1 second. But having this sort of mindset that I want to be rich as fast as I can, this will set you up for failure. Be careful with that mentality when you run around. you can get taken advantage of by a scammer or whatever. I'm attending a lot of AI conferences. That's good. Const var age equals 20 int. Type annotations are optional. Const var age int o equals 28. Fine. By the way, strings are just arrays of characters. Arrays of characters. That's crazy. Is there a way to earn 50 lakh per month in the next 5 to 10 years? Like, seriously, you are trolling. I know you are trolling. You can't be real right now. How to tackle the urge to rewrite projects the moment things start getting dirty? Oh, just get to a company once. Just get to a company once. You will know how to resist it. Resist it. I'm sorry. भाई YouTube देख के प्रोजेक्ट कर लेता हूँ, खुद करूँ तो नहीं होता. Please some tips और guide भैया. Documentation. The one thing you need at this point, Bapan Das, is documentation. There you go. Great people say first earn money, then get rich, and then get philosophy. But you are giving philosophy when you get rich. So great people say it. I say something else. Hey, how do you tackle the problem of expired token during authentication? Do you refetch a new token when a protected route throws restricted status? Yeah, that would be the way to do it. Log the user out and make them log in again. Not a company's project, but your own startup side projects. Oh. Just accept the fact that your code base is never going to be completely clean. Just accept it. And there you go. Buy, live in the sense a decent life where I can buy anything for my parents and make them happy. You are focusing on earning money first. How many years of experience do you have, Madding? I think you have like 2 or 3 years of experience. Am I correct in assuming that? भाई एक अच्छा घर बनाना मेरे बचपन का सपना है. And so does everybody else's, bro. 5 lakh a month is also way too much. So everybody's dream is to build a house. But being that desperate that you are saying that being as rich as you, like me, I'm not even close to being rich. And I'm fine with that. If you want, similarly, integers are just array of digits. Hello again, because of this you can index into integers. Oh no. So this output would be 210? That is nuts, bro. If you want to use a binary representation for integers, int 9 or int 99 types are also available. Okay, that is difficult. Int 99 types, okay. The previous keyword lets you see into the past. Use it to get the previous value of a variable. Why do I want that? Oh man. Just imagine writing a full ass project in this. Just imagine it. I think can help you make 50 lakhs a month. Trust me, lol. Maybe it can, maybe. And here I thought I could learn and give some value to society by inventing and finding new things and then get rich. Shit, man, I got in wrong field. No, you still got in the right field. It's how you use it that determines whether you would be able to do it. You also, how about having a look at a startup I've just launched? Yeah, send me the link. I feel like I'm building startups as if they're my children and not my companies. Okay, I see. In beginner, when you learn Munstack or React, how you learn? I learned nothing, bro. I went with PHP. Client paid 40K for freelance project. He is asking money back. Why? He is not satisfied with my work, shall give 40K back. He was saying he'll file police complaint. I would say just to, give him 20K back and be like, that's what the terms are. That you paid for the work. Was it a advance payment or was it a post work deployment payment? Bro, give some tips to start freelancing. Get a full time job first. Gain some industry experience, gain networks a little bit, then get into freelancing. True, you learned coding for wrong reason. Yeah. Why is it really necessary to learn Next.js? People just keep on pushing this. I'm really good with Wait and React. Yeah, good enough. You don't need Next. You're fine. Constant var score equals 5. After click score plus 1. Print await next score. This is crazy, bro. Next keyword lets you see into the future. What kind of compiler is this? Additionally, the current keyword lets you see into the present. Why would I want to see the present? Man, this is trolling. This is like omega sigma level trolling. That's what this is. Exporting. Many languages allow you to import things for specific files. In Dreambird, importing is simpler. Instead, you export to specific files. Function add return equals b. Export add to main.db3. Import add 3.2. I don't understand this. I think this language is for time machines. Yep. Bro is trolling. Bhai kahan? 4 years of experience, just 6 month experience, just a last year graduate. I just felt having a right mindset of doing things so that Oh, okay. So you have only 6 months of experience. Come on, man. You need to calm down a little bit. You need to spend this is a time thing. You need to spend like 5 or 6 years at least into the industry. Then you get to a good pay scale, a paycheck. 6 months of experience, and what are you hoping that will happen to you? That you will get like 60 LPA package out of nowhere. Give some time, build a career, man. Don't rush for the quick rewards that you can get out of it. Think long term. 20 years you have to stay here. Then how are you going to plan things? Bro, how much money are you making from freelancing? 90K a month average, I could say. Close to a lakh, but not a lakh. So you can say that income tax has said that 13 lakh per year doesn't have to pay tax. So you can say that I'm not in the tax bracket anymore because I don't make that much money to begin with. Aaj scribble hoga? Yes. Okay, so let's get into Scribble. This is crazy. This is the craziest interpreter or whatever. Can we call it a programming language? I don't know, but this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. It's worth noting that GitHub Copilot doesn't understand Dreambird, which means that Microsoft won't be able to steal your code. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's do it. Huh? There you go. And here you go. Bro, what is your dream? To build something for the dev community? Just asking, what field of dev would you like to contribute? Anything, bro. I don't have an idea what to do myself. If you have an idea and I like your idea, I'll join you. Let me ping on Slack. Not on Slack, on Discord. भाई मोजोलैंग फायरशिप वीडियो चेक करो. Okay, 1 second, I'll do it. How you get projects for freelancing? It's mostly because of my network. One client refers another client, and yeah, that's how I get it. What do you think is a good play scale for beginners and freshers out of college? Um, 4 LPA at least, I would say. The least I can say is 4 LPA. Okay, so we will wait for. Doesn't seem like anybody else is joining in. So players 8. Let's increase that to 19. Draw time would be 60, and hints would be 1. Yeah, start. Come on, Flexi, choose a good word. Oh, Private Fortune is just now in the Discord. There we go. I just interviewed for an analyst trainee, aka dev trainee in Cognizant for 3.6 LPA. Yeah, that is good. That is good. Oh, here we go. Maybe the night time routine might let me know all the stars don't show. All the stars don't show. All the stars don't. Maybe the night machine might let me know all the stars don't show. All the stars don't show. All the stars don't show. Huh? What? Is it brain? Is it which country's client you deal with? Indian, US or UK? I would say worldwide, bro. Worldwide. I do have clients in India, UK, US. One was in Iran, then Estonia, then Morocco. Yeah, so worldwide. Brainstorm. Oh, I see. US and UK is very. Oh man. What kind of drawing is this? Um, Roller blade. Oh, somebody did say it. Oh. Yeah, screw it. Just take it. Take it. I said react on Sudarshan Tanwar AI ML or dev video. No, I won't because no, I won't. I did see the video. I did see the video outside of the stream. Nah, not gonna react. Sorry. There is beef between him and me. He said that he will come back with a response video on me. Never did. And now he's bitching about me on his Telegram. Which I don't think that it will ever come. I think he's scared of me. You would have thought at this point how much hate I have spread on YouTube or everywhere. You would have thought that somebody would make a response video on me, and yet nobody has. The drawer left the game. Quarantine. One Wordle game. Nah, that's alright. This is good enough. What the hell, bro? Oh. Luggage cart. This is seriously like this quick. G Demon 1 got it. I don't care about beef. I just want your views about this topic. He's saying senior dev will move to AI ML and junior dev will continue web dev in future. Let me come to. Nah, that is bullshit, bro. That is bullshit. We'll move into AI ML as if. There we go. Senior dev will always be in web dev, and whoever wants to go into AI ML will go into AI ML. That doesn't matter. That's not a good argument to say that, oh, just because you're a senior, then that means you will go into AI ML. That's not how this works. What else he is saying? What else is it that he's saying? The video of yours where you called people on their AI bullshit, my fellow devmates also resonated with that. People are spouting nonsense, and even the ones who are not in tech. See? Told you. With 7 years of experience in the industry, you could easily get 24 to 30 lakh per annum. Then why did you leave your high paying job to do freelancing? What motivated you to switch to freelancing? If I want to make money, I will always make money. Whenever I want. Oh. Now let me draw something. Myopia. But yes, flexibility, and I do make money more than what I used to make, and this is not how I look at life. That 7 years of experience, I should be getting this much, but I'm getting this much, therefore I'm gonna get depressed. No, that's not how that's not how I see it. Your advice makes sense. Of course it does. Uh, what? Mr. Bean. How the hell do you get Mr. Bean from this? Seriously? Lol, you know it. I got this word yesterday too, and he drew the same thing. Oh, so you've been playing with the same people. I see. So now you don't want to make money, lot of money. I don't know if you're hating on me or whatever, but this is how, if I saw the world, I would be a depressed software developer right now. I'm here for the next 20-30 years. I'm not here. What the hell? Dictionary. Oh, that's not easy, bro. Lol, you know it. He's steady. Ah, okay. That is his doll, bro. I know. But still, Jeed even said that they have been playing with the same people. That's how. Man, this is lagging. I don't want to hate you, bro. Just asking you as a little curious junior brother. No, that's all right. That's not how I. At least that is not right now how I see the world. If I am making less money than I'm supposed to be, well, I didn't get why people so much enrich market but defending their guiding YouTuber. Explain me something, bro. 3 years of YouTube, somebody can get to 100k subscribers or maybe like 500k subscribers. But look at me, I'm here at 19k. But I'm still here. This is like what? Jackie Chan, punching bag. Oh, I see. I typed dictionary and deleted it. Oh, okay. So, Tribes Flicks. 3 years of YouTube, I should have been at 250k, 1000 subscribers. But I'm not. But I'm still here, aren't I? What the hell is this? Bandage. This is crazy. Just. Why, bro? Why? Because you already can look at my stream and you can get the answer. So why care? Why? I don't want to hate you. Yeah. Still G Demon 1 and Vivek surpassed me as well. That is crazy. Nah, one game is enough, bro. Actually, the stream time is also over. Right now it is about to be 2:30. So parentheses. Wait, I almost forgot. Parentheses in Dreambird do nothing. They get replaced with white space. The following lines of code all do the same thing. Oh no. Just imagine writing a project in this, bro. Just imagine it. This is crazy. Due to certain design decisions, this is replaced with this, and while this is replaced with this. Certain design decisions, or certain crazy decisions. What was it? Okay, bye Vaikun. I will also go in 7 minutes. I will end the stream. Oh, Fireship Mojo Lang. Let's see.
Python is a wonderful language for productive programming, but it has one big problem. It's too slow, and going slow means you'll get made fun of by the Rust and C++ chads of the world. But the tables are about to turn thanks to a brand new programming language called Mojo, a superset of Python that's not just 2 times faster, not 10 times faster, but up to 35,000 times faster than your grandpa's Python. And that's a huge deal, because Python's the dominant language for artificial intelligence, but behind the curtain, anything that needs to go fast is written in C or C++. In today's video, we'll take Mojo for a spin, but first, here are 5 things that you need to know about it. 1, this is not some random guy's side project on GitHub, but rather it comes from a company founded by Chris Lattner, the guy who created the Swift programming language and the LLVM compiler toolchain. If anybody could fix Python's problems, it's him. And if you have no idea what LLVM is, check out this video. 2, it's a language designed for programming on AI hardware, like GPUs running CUDA and other accelerators. It achieves this by leveraging multi-level intermediate representation to scale to exotic hardware types without a ton of complexity, and it even has built-in auto-tuning to optimize your code for your target hardware. 3, it's designed as a superset of Python in the same way TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, so you don't need to learn another language to take advantage of it. And this is unique compared to other modern systems languages like Rust, Zig, Nim, and so on, which would have a higher learning curve for existing Python programmers. It does have a bunch of features on top of Python, like var and let declarations and structs, but the base language is fully compatible with Python, and it can also interop with the Python ecosystem, which means you can still use your favorite libraries like NumPy, Pandas.
Yeah, this is good, right? This is nothing crazy. I thought that I was reacting to Dreambird, which made you give me this. Man, Claude plays Pokemon. That is crazy. Bye bye bhaiya, I have to go study. Yeah. Didn't you say you will react to something? Yeah, this is what this is.
Etc. 4, it adds strong type checking to the language. You can still use dynamic types if you prefer, but static types are essential for optimized performance and error checking. For memory management, it has an ownership system and borrow checkers similar to Rust, and also supports manual memory management with pointers like C++. It's a pragmatic language that gives you safety, but also the flexibility to be unsafe when needed. Now, the final thing to know is that currently it's not available to the public. It's still in very early development. It will be open source sourced in the future, but currently there's a waitlist to try it out. I was lucky enough to get early access, so let's fire it up. To run it, you can create a file ending in .mojo or .fire emoji. That's a huge advantage over Python, which doesn't allow you to name your files in .snake, but we can also run the code in a Jupyter notebook, where it behaves like an interpreted language. Here we have a matrix multiplication demo that computes a dot product to demonstrate the crazy performance gains we get with Mojo. First, it benchmarks a basic function.
Oh, this new language for machine learning. Yeah, but it doesn't seem like Mojo is getting adopted by the tech industry. I love how fast the industry jumps on the trains and look for Mojo dev with 10 years experience. After working with Mojo for 10 years, I can safely say this is going to become the new standard AI ML development.
In Python, then by simply importing that code into Mojo, it's executed 14 times faster with no modifications to the code. But we're only just getting started. We can further optimize this code by adding types to the Python implementation. Mojo allows us to do that with its built-in struct keyword. A struct is very similar to a Python class, but structs are static, unlike classes which are dynamic. Inside the struct, we also have keywords like var.
Does it use this or scopes for indents? Doesn't seem like it uses curly bracket.
And let, which can define mutable and immutable variables, and def is replaced with fn, which is a stricter type of function. Also notice single instruction multiple data, which is a built-in type that represents a vector, where a single instruction can be executed across multiple elements in parallel on the underlying hardware. Once we have this struct, we can then use it as a type in the Python implementation. Then when we benchmark the code again, we get a ridiculous 500x performance boost, but we're still not happy yet. In the inner loop, we can query the vector width instead of hard coding it, and that gives us a 1000x gain, but that's nothing compared to what we're about to do. Linear algebra is perfect for parallel computing, and we can easily make our code multi-threaded with the built-in parallelize function, increasing our speed buff to 2000x. But now I've got a fever, and the only prescription is more performance. Luckily, Mojo has built-in tiling utilities that basically allow us to cache and reuse data more efficiently, and we can even auto-tune it to find the optimal parameters for our hardware. The end result is over 4,000 times faster execution compared to the original Python code. That's pretty crazy, and if you want to see this code broken down in greater detail, I'd highly recommend this video from Jeremy Howard. But I'm curious what you guys think. Do you really think Mojo could kill Python and C++ at the same time? I'm a bit skeptical, but employers are already hiring Mojo developers with 10 years of experience.
Nice. Must have 10 years experience with Mojo. Crazy.
This has been the Code Report. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
All right. Seems like this is a good point to end the live stream. I will see you in the next one as well. Let's connect again next week. I'll see you again back here Saturday and Sunday, 12 afternoon. Yeah. That's pretty much for today, guys. Yeah, that is all. Bye-bye. I'll see you next Saturday. All right. Bye YouTube. Bye Twitch. Bye everybody. Let's meet the next Saturday. Yeah. I came back and it ends. Yeah, no worries, Roop. That happens.